Yes, good evening all. The last class we were doing definite indefinite integration. So today we will go with definite integration questions. So I'll be sharing the questions now. Please everyone to start solving the questions. Everyone make this question. Chalo, let's get started with the questions. Make it fast, quick. Have you done with the previous homework? Jafar, Charan, Sharmita. See, don't replay your answers in chart marks. Everyone solve this question.
Yes, guys, those who have done 26th, what is the answer for the 26th one? What is the answer for the 26th one? Make it fast. What is the answer, guys? What is the answer for the 26th one, people? Are you here? Can you hear my voice?
Sir, we
For,
didn't get.
for this type of question, guys, look at this here. What you have to do? Put x is equal to sine theta. Put x is equal to sine theta. Then what is your, if you differentiate with respect to theta, dx by d theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. So dx is equal to cos theta into d theta. Okay. Now integral 0 to 1 by 2 x square divided by 1 minus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 dx can be written as limits will be changing. Limits will be changing from where to where? 0 to pi by 6. All right. So sine square theta into cos theta d theta. Why? Because dx can be written as cos theta into d theta divided by 1 minus x square is nothing but what? Sine square theta, right? Sorry, cos square theta. So cos square theta into cos square theta, I mean, whole to the power of 3 by 2. Square square will get cancelled. You will be left with what? Cos cube theta in the denominator, correct? So cos cube theta, let me write directly in the denominator. Cos cube theta. Okay. Yes. Now here this value he has given k by 6. If you observe properly, look at this here, k by 6 he has given integral value of that. Now here let me maximize it. Okay. Yeah. So 0 to pi by 6 into sine square theta by cos cube theta into cos theta into d theta. Okay. So now if you observe this properly, so what I'll be getting cos theta, cos one time I'll be getting cancelled. So k by 6 is equal 0 to pi by 6 tan square theta into d theta. Okay. So tan square theta formula we don't have. So secant square theta minus 1 I'll be writing. So 0 to pi by 6 secant square theta minus 1 into d theta. Can you hear my voice, people? Children? Children.
Yes, sir.
K by 6 is equal k by 6 is equal to integral secant square theta into d theta is what? Tan theta minus theta whole to the power of 0 to pi by 6. So we need to find out k value, right? K by 6 is equal to tan 30 how much? 1 by root 3 minus pi by 6. If you substitute 0, tan 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Okay. So k value is what now? 6 times of So LCM is 3 root 3 into 6. Root 3 into 6. So here 6 minus root 3 pi. Okay, this 6 will be getting cancelled. So k value is 2 into 6 can be written as 2 root 3 minus root 3 pi by root 3 by root 3, isn't it? So now this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. So k value is 2 root 3 minus pi. Which option is correct? Option option A is correct. Option A is correct. So solve the 28th one now. Okay, guys. Quick. Guys, what is the answer? Time up. Look at this here. So the integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 tan cube x into sine square 3x and into 2 sine square x into sine square 3x plus something given, right? So what can we do here? What idea you are getting? What, it is a very good question. Look at this here. You can see, guys, what is the idea you got? Are you guys here? I'm asking you people only. What is the idea you guys are getting? Hello, guys, are you here? I'm asking you people only. Hello, Charan, done? Charan, Pavan, Charan,
Sir, doing sir. So
what you are doing? Still doing? What is the idea you got? Very, very, very good question. Let me see whether you got an idea or not. What is the idea you people got? Jafar ji, batao ji. Hello. See everyone. Here we have two, right? So the first thing I'm writing it as, let us take this as integral pi by 6 to pi by 3. So here one logic you have to do, multiply and divide with something. Can we look at it as tan cube x into secant square x multiplying secant square x. So 2 will be in front, secant square x into sine to the power of 4 3x plus 3 tan to the power of 4x multiplying, that's it, into sine square 3x into 2 times of sine 3x into cos 3x into dx. How we wrote this? Sine 2x can written as sine 2 times of 3x. So sine 2a formula, 2 sine a cos a, like that. Okay. Hope you are understanding what I wrote. Here multiplying and dividing by 2. Okay. So why we are doing like that? You will realize why we are doing like that. Now look at this. So 2 to the 4 tan cube x into secant square x into sine to the power of 4 3x plus 3 into here 2 have, if I multiply with one more 2 it will become 4, right? 2 to the 4 into tan to the power of 4x sine square 3x into sine 3x. Okay, sine 3x into cos 3x into dx. All right, guys. So I is equal to 1 by 2 times of pi by 6 to pi by 3. Okay. So now look at this. If you observe this properly, this is 4. So 3 4s 12. 3 4s 12. Okay. Getting my point? Now, here, if you observe this properly, all these things, it is like product of something. Okay. Can I write this part as this full part? dy dx of tan to the power of 4x into sine to the power of 3x into dx. Just uv rule, d by dx of uv. U v dash plus v u dash. If you apply that, 1 second. If you apply this, u by v rule here, this is u, this is Veera Babu. If you apply uv method, you will be getting this result, the above result. Okay. Yes. So now, uh, here 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2, let me write properly. Yes. So I is equal to 1 by 2 times of 5 by 6 to 5 by. Huh. Here, in fact, what do you get, beta? Look at this here. We have integration and differentiation, both are anti to each other. So this both will be getting cancelled, right? So anti process of derivatives. Integration is anti process of derivative, right? That is why both will be getting cancelled. So now look at this here. Now that's it. So in fact, you will be getting the uh, limits here. Okay. So apply it 1 by 2 times of tan to the power of 4 pi by 3 into sine to the power of 4 3 into pi by 3. So this will be 0 beta. Why? Because sine 0 is what? 0. 0 into something 0 only. Minus minus. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 times of tan to the power of 4 pi by 6 into sine to the power of 4 3 into pi by 6. Okay. So here this pi 2's, right? So minus 1 by 2 tan 30 how much? Tan 30 how much? 1 by root 3 into sine 90. Sine 90 how much? 1. So what is the answer is going to be now? So here to the power of 4, right? So this will be 0 beta. Alright. 0. This entire process will be 0. So 0 minus 1 by 2. Even you write 0, don't write 0, doesn't make a sense. Into 1 by root 3 to the power of 4 how much? So 3 3 is 9 into 1, which is minus 1 by 18. Minus 1 by 18 is your answer. Minus 1 by 18, minus 1 by 18. Yes, option C is correct. Hope you enjoyed the session. Hope you enjoyed the question. Next, 29th question is a homework to you all. 30th we will solve. Everyone make this question fast. Quick. Done, guys. What's the answer? What's the answer? Make it fast. What is the answer? We can apply one property here. What is the property we have? We have one property. What is that? Minus pi by 2 to 0, 1 by e to the power of sin x into dx. Right? Plus again 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus e to the power of sin x dx. Okay. All right, guys. Now I just gave a hint for you all. Now you can make this very easily. Now you can make this very easily. Come on, make it fast. I gave a wonderful hint to you all. Make it fast. I'm expecting an answer. I'm expecting an ideology from your end. Okay, people? Yes. Quick, 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 quick.
Or else, like, see here, we can solve in this. We can solve this question in two ways. We can solve this question in two ways. How can we solve this question in two ways? Guys, look at this here. You try. This is the method one. You can just try this as a method one. Now let me just teach you in another way. Let me teach you in another way. So let us consider it as the given integral as an I. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. All right, 1 by 1 plus e to the power of sin x into dx. If I'm not wrong, this is the equation. And this integral given, right? Perfect. So whenever you get this type of question, look at this here, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. All right, so dx upon e to the power of 1 plus e to the power of sine of x. That x can be, look at this here, I'm adding and subtracting pi by 2 here, minus x. All right, now what happens if we do this? What happens if we do this? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Guys, you have to think in multiple ways. Whenever your thinking process is building, then only you will be solving the question in easiest way. You will be getting lots of idea when you are making an exam. Now, if you observe this properly, beta, look at this here. What you're going to get here? What you're going to get? Next step. After this, like, within 2 steps you get the answer. Within 2 steps. Within 2 more steps, you are going to get the answer. Very, very simple. Come on. Can I write this as dx divided by 1 e to the power of 90 minus this? So 90 minus e to the power of minus sin x plus 1. All right. Now minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. All right. So here what happens? 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by e to the power of sin x into dx. Okay. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. 1 by e to the power of sin x plus 1, and it will be shifted to the numerator. The denominator will get reciprocal. You will get like this, right? Now, if you observe this properly, beta, this was my first equation. Let me consider this as the first equation. Let me consider this as second equation. So what I'm doing here now? So I'm adding, since the denominator of the first and second equation both are same, what I'll be doing, beta, I'll be adding them. Okay, 1 plus 2. I think you have solved lots of questions based on this. So This is also I, right? So I plus I beta, it becomes 2I integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. See, this all based on the properties. All right, 1 plus e to the power of sin x dx. This will be getting cancelled. So 2 times of I here is equal to 1 into. So second, what is this? Integral 1 into dx is 1 to the power of pi by 2 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, right? This is what you get. So 2I is equal to pi by 2 minus into minus plus, so pi by 2. So 2 times of I is equal to 1 pi, 90 plus 90, 180, right? All right. So I value is what, beta? Pi by 2 is my answer. Hope we have an option. Do we have this option? Pi by 2? Do we have? Yes. Option C is correct. Wonderful. Very, very simple, Rababu. We don't have anything like difficult one over here. Very, very simple. The thing is, you should know the properties. That's it. If you know the property, that's it. You will be understanding and you will be getting it very easily. That's it. Next question. 31 homework beta. That is also based on property. 32 is also very simple. It's modulus alpha minus alpha into modulus x given. So how you split this as? How you split this as? We can split minus 1 to 0 e to the power of alpha x dx plus 0 to 2 e to the power of minus 1 second, plus 0 to 2 e to the power of minus alpha x dx is equal to 5 given. Now just keep solving, beta, you will get the answer. This is the hint I can give you. Very, very simple question. Next. Okay. Next question. 33rd also you can make this. 33rd also you can make very easily. 30th also very, very, like, 4 to 5 steps you will get the answer. 30, 34th. 34th we will solve it. You try it now. Make it fast. I'm giving you fatafat. Make the 34th one. answer, guys?
What is the answer? Guys, what is the answer? Very simple, guys. It is, look at this here. If for all triplets ABC f of x is equal to this, then integral 0 to 1 f of x dx is what? First of all, let us write f of x value in place of f of x. So which is a plus bx plus cx square into dx. Okay. So look at this here. So a into 1x, so ax plus bx square by 2 plus cx cube by 3. Okay. So from where to where? From 0 to 1. So a plus b by 2 plus c by 3. If you substitute 1 here, okay? 0 means 0 only. So what he has given here? Ah. So first of all, look at the options. Every option f of 1, f of 1 by 2, f of 1, f of 1 by 2, f of 0, f of 1 by 2, f of 0, f of 1, f of 1 by 2. Every option is include f of 1, f of 0, f of 1 by 2, something like that. So let me find out f of 1 first of all. Or else f of 1 is what? F of 1 is what? What is f of 1? F of 1 is what? A plus b plus c. Okay. What is f of 0? A plus, that's it. F of 0 is a only. What is f of 1 by 2? A plus b by 2 plus c by 4. Correct. So now what we need to do? We need to check. Hmm. Yeah. Now look at it here. F of 1 by 6. F of 1 by 6. F of 0. Yeah. So let me take c by 4, right? So let us go with option by option. 3 of f of 1. So it is not matching. 3 times of a plus b plus c. No. A plus b plus c. 3 of f of 1 by 2. 3a. No. I think option D. Option D, look at this here. 1 by 6. F of 0 plus f of 1 plus f of 1 by 2. Let us do why it is and let us check how it is happening. 1 by 6. F of 0 how much? A. F of 1 how much? A plus b plus c. F of 4 into f of 1 by 2 how much? A plus b by 2 plus c by 4. Okay. All right. So 1 by 6. A plus a is how much? 2a. 2a plus 4a. 6a. Okay. B plus 2b. 3b. Okay. Plus 2c. 1c. And here 1c. 2c. Right. Huh. So now look at this here. 6 by 6. A plus 1 by 2b. So which means b by 2 plus c by 3. Okay. Now look at this here. 0 to 1. F of x is nothing but 1 by 6 times of f of 0 plus f of 1 plus 4 times of f of 1 by 2. This is the answer. Why we got like this? Tell me. Why? Because a plus, look at this here. After integrating this function beta, I got this. And after substitution also, which option D? In option D, if I substitute everything, I was getting like this. Look at this, which is same as this is equal to this. Okay, so option D is correct. Option D is correct. Everything you have to substitute and check it. Option D is correct. That is how we will go with this. Any doubts? Children, any doubts? So now 35th question. 35th question homework. Take this as homework. 36 also homework. 37th homework. Okay, till 37th you make it, guys. So let's make a move now. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye. Thank you. I have a class right now. Thank you, beta. Goodbye. Hope you understood. Shanmita, Pavan, Dairya, Jafar. Any doubts, beta? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Good. Thank you. Goodbye.